I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY, and this is
Rosa Korea.
And we are offering you today the kit, kind of showing you the kit for the Flake to Rejection Countercoat. And so what is a flake to rejection? It basically means we're putting down a really good quality epoxy, putting flake chips so that they cover all the epoxy, and then we put a special clear coat over it. And this is meant to be a permanent countertop coating system that kind of looks like granite in a way. It's just unique. If you like the colors and the options we have available, this is the kit for you. And so this kit will cover up to 35 square feet, and you can use as much or as little, and you can package it up and store it, whatever you don't use, for later on. So this is the kit, and this is your base coat primer. It's pretty simple. You've got part A, two products of part A, and 2 products of part B. If you're going to do 35 square feet, you take both of these part Bs, pour it into this mixing bucket, put both parts of part A, and mix it for 3 minutes. If you're only going to do 17 square feet, do half of it, 1 of each. So when you put it in here, you mix it for 3 minutes, you pour it out on your countertop, squeegee it back roll it so that it looks nice, and then you take your flake chips. Your flake chips come with this kit, and you broadcast these flake chips until there's no visible epoxy left. And that's a full flake to rejection. It's a very durable coating. And so that's that. 12 hours later, it'll be dry. You come back and clean it off, vacuum it off, and you're done with that part of the kit. Now the second part of the kit is the top coat. The top coat is a 2-component, 100% solid polyaspartic top coat, and that's what this is, and it's very easy to use. So now comes the top coat, and this is a pretty simple top coat to use. This is our Poly 300. So you just open up the opener there, as you can see. Pretty simple. This is a really awesome product. My favorite product out of all of our products. So you've got a part A and a part B, and you simply mix part A and B together for 2 to 3 minutes. That's ready to use. You have over an hour to work with it. And so this, once it's mixed in this bucket, you pour it out on your countertop, squeegee it back, and back roll it, and you have a perfect countertop. This product is unbelievably durable, scratch resistant. It is UV stable. It won't amber over time, and it's very durable and flexible. So it can pretty much anything you want to put on your countertop, this can handle. The only variable is if it gets any bubbles, we recommend you using an air dryer, blow dryer, kind of like a hair dryer, or even my recommendation is to use like a torch, like a heat torch. And you can buy those little heat torches and just wave it over it. And you do that every 30 minutes until it's cured, to make sure that it's perfect if you want a perfect top coat. And that's the top coat. So the other thing that we recommend is the toolkit that comes along with the countertop coating kit, and it's got everything you need to install the coating system. You're going to put on your rubber gloves. You've got your mixing wands for the different products. You got a reusable squeegee for both coats. Just clean off the edge. You've got 2 brushes, disposable brushes. You've got your sanding pad to sand your countertop prior to the base primer coat. You got your mixing wand, which goes into a drill. By the way, you'll need 2 things besides what we're offering. You need a drill and a 4-inch roller assembly. That's all you'll need. Other than that, maybe a little bit of cleanup thinner and a rag.
The torch and the dryer.
Yeah, the torch and the dryer, yeah. And here's your roller covers to go over, and everything's included. So we hope you like this video on our countercoat rejection system. We appreciate your time. I'm Craig Jones.
Rosa Korea.
Performance DIY. Have a great day.